Business casual is boring, and today we're going to fix it. It's never been harder to figure out what to wear for work. A generation ago, it was simple. A dark suit with a white shirt, a smart tie with some leather shoes. Today, business casual has become chinos, a light blue shirt, and that city boy favorite, a sleeveless fleece. It's 2025, fellas. It's time to ditch that uniform and switch it up. And today, I'm going to show you how. If you care about the way you dress, then you're probably in a bit of a dilemma. What do you wear in your office that doesn't do suits, but you also don't like to wear typical business casual uniform? By the way, I'm Tinashe. I'm a professional men's stylist and image consultant with a background in fashion and film, and it's my mission to help you turn your image into an asset. If that's something you're interested in, then go ahead and subscribe. All right, enough of me. Let's get back to the good stuff. In the age of the personal brand, your work outfits need personality. I've got 7 key pieces that are redefining business casual this spring. Let's dive in. Few garments are as quietly dependable as gilets and vests. A good lightweight gilet keeps you warm without adding bulk. It will slide effortlessly under an overcoat, but it will perfectly layer over something more smart like a button-up shirt. Unshowy, functional, and adaptable, they are the sartorial equivalent to the Swiss Army knife. Are you a fan of jeans and denim is not allowed in the office? Then a chambray shirt is a smart way to sneak it in. Instead of a typical button-down shirt, you can layer a chambray inside a crew neck sweater, so it's that great balance between smart and casual. It adds texture to your look for work without breaking any dress codes. First worn by railway laborers in the 1800s in France, a worker jacket is defined by its shape and its pockets. It works just as well on its own as it does layered under heavier outerwear items, but in the warmer days in the spring, just layer it over a t-shirt and it's a great, smart, but casual look. Exactly what it says on the tin, a sweater vest is a sleeveless sweater or jumper in English money. For business casual, you can layer it over a smart dress shirt for a really cool but quirky professional look. It's a great piece to have in your wardrobe because it's quite versatile. You can layer it over a range of neutral pants, which can be grey, black, or khaki. And of course, they can come in different silhouettes and shapes as well. If you are allowed jeans in the office, then invest in a pair of Selvedge denim jeans. For work, style it with the lighter shade of blue button-up shirt, accessorize with the tie, and top it off with some white socks inside some penny loafers. That crisp white line sealing the edge of the material, that's the Selvedge line. And it's a hallmark of a man who knows his menswear. A knitted polo is a mixed weather cheat code. For business, I would opt for a closed face polo with the open V neck. Style it with a smart button-up shirt on the inside to add the business to your casual. Polished enough to look considered for work and the office, comfortable enough to make it feel like you're wearing your loungewear. It's perfect. Did I mention loafers? The easiest way to make a casual outfit look more polished and smart enough for the office is to add some loafers. Style them with some laid-back trousers and a polo shirt for our laid-back take on smart, or with Selvedge denim for something more casual. And with loafers, the socks are optional. If any of the tips above don't work for you, take heart. Focus on fit. Whatever you wear, if it fits well, then you stand a great chance of still looking the part. While a suit still remains the ultimate attire for business and executive wear, the lines of business dress code are getting ever more grey. To classic menswear aficionados, this is sad news, but I think it's something that we should embrace. We no longer have to wear corporate uniforms, so why not weave your personal style into your workwear? Remember, how you look is the first experience people have of your personal brand. Make it a memorable one. Hope you've enjoyed that video, guys. If you have, let me know in the comments which one of these items fascinates you the most. And if you want more of my take on trends, let me know in the comments, and that's something I'll make available on this channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, join the community, share this with a friend if you think they might find it useful, and hit the notification bell so that you're alerted the next time I post. But that's all the time I have for this one, guys. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.